Let's talk about the latest launched Google smartphone Pixel 8a. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.1 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 81.6% screen to body ratio, approximately 430 ppi. Pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel 26mm quad PD wide angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. For selfies, it has 13 megapixel 20mm centered punch hole ultra wide angle front camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 4K at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device, with 7 years of OS, security and feature drop updates. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is Nona Core 3 GHz. Single-core Cortex-X3 plus 2.45 GHz quad-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.15 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510. Powered by Google Tensor G3 chipset, paired with a Mortalis G715 SMC10 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 152.1 by 72.7 by 8.9 millimeters. And it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options beige, porcelain, obsidian, aloe colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 4492 mAh battery, with PD 3.0 fast charging, 7.5 wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual, triple band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C, headphone jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP67 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Google Pixel 8a has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at $499, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at $559. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Google Pixel 8a smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.